1. Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we will be discussing practical tips for busy individuals to lose weight. 2. Weight loss is an important aspect of leading a healthy lifestyle, but with busy schedules, it can be challenging to maintain a healthy weight. 3. The purpose of this video is to provide practical tips for busy individuals to lose weight. Tip 1. Plan your meals and snacks in advance. 1. One of the key steps in weight loss is to plan your meals and snacks in advance. 2. Meal planning has numerous benefits for weight loss, including preventing overeating and reducing the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks. 3. To create a weekly meal plan, start by listing all the meals you need to plan for, such as breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. 3. Then, create a grocery list based on the ingredients you need for each meal. 4. Having healthy snacks on hand is important to prevent overeating and reaching for unhealthy options. 4. Some ideas for healthy snacks include fruit, yogurt, nuts, and seeds. Tip 2. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. 1. Physical activity is an essential component of weight loss, as it helps boost metabolism and burns calories. 2. With busy schedules, it can be challenging to fit physical activity into your routine. 2. Some ideas for incorporating physical activity into a busy schedule include taking the stairs instead of the elevator, doing a quick workout during lunch breaks, or going for a walk after dinner. 3. Using a fitness tracker can also be helpful in tracking physical activity and monitoring progress. Tip 3. Limit alcohol consumption. 1. Alcohol can have a negative impact on weight loss efforts, as it is high in calories and can lead to overeating. 2. To reduce alcohol intake, consider limiting the number of drinks you have in a week, opting for lower-calorie drinks, or switching to non-alcoholic alternatives. 3. Some alternatives to alcoholic drinks include water with lemon, iced tea, or sparkling water with fruit. Tip 4. Stay hydrated. 1. Staying hydrated is important for weight loss, as it helps flush out toxins and boost metabolism. 2. The recommended daily amount of water is 8 glasses, but this can vary based on individual needs. 3. Infused water, which is water infused with fruit, is a great way to stay hydrated and add flavor to your water without adding calories. Tip 5. Get enough sleep. 1. Getting enough sleep is crucial for weight loss, as lack of sleep can impact hormone levels and lead to overeating. 2. To get better sleep, consider implementing a bedtime routine, creating a sleep-conducive environment, and limiting screen time before bed. 3. Having a consistent sleep routine can help regulate the body's natural sleep cycle and improve the quality of sleep. Tip 6. Reduce stress. 1. Stress can have a negative impact on weight loss efforts, as it can trigger overeating and slow down metabolism. 2. Simple stress management techniques include deep breathing, exercise, and taking breaks throughout the day. 3. Mindfulness and meditation can also be helpful in reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Tip 7. Keep a food diary. 1. Keeping a food diary can be an effective tool for weight loss, as it helps monitor food intake and track progress. 2. There are numerous ways to track food intake, such as writing in a journal, using a smartphone app, or taking photos of your meals. 3. Monitoring food habits can help identify areas for improvement and provide insights into eating patterns. Tip 8. Avoid processed foods. 1. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, making them a hindrance to weight loss efforts. 2. To identify processed foods in your diet, look for foods with long ingredient lists, high levels of sugar or salt, or artificial additives. 3. Incorporating more whole foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein, can help improve overall health and support weight loss. Tip 9. Use a support system. 1. Having a support system can be a valuable asset for weight loss, as it provides encouragement and accountability. 2. Support can come from family and friends, or from a weight loss group, such as an online community or in-person support group. 3. The benefits of a support system include motivation, inspiration, and the sharing of experiences and challenges. Tip 10. Celebrate your successes. 1. Celebrating successes, both big and small, can help maintain motivation and increase confidence in weight loss efforts. 2. Ideas for celebrating successes include setting aside time for self-care, recognizing progress, and expressing gratitude. 3. Positive self-talk and affirmations can also help boost confidence and keep weight loss goals on track. 1. To summarize, the 10 tips for weight loss for busy people include planning meals and snacks in advance, incorporating physical activity, limiting alcohol consumption, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, reducing stress, keeping a food diary, avoiding processed foods, using a support system, and celebrating successes. 2. It's important to remember that weight loss takes time and consistency, so be patient and stay committed to your goals. 3. I hope these tips have been helpful for those pursuing weight loss. 3. Remember to believe in yourself and take it one day at a time. That's the end of the video. I hope these tips have been helpful in providing practical advice for busy individuals to lose weight. Keep these tips in mind and stay focused on your weight loss journey. Good luck!